I woke up at 5 AM in Monaco after a night of stealth camping in public toilet.
Okay guys, good morning. It's 5 AM. I slept a little bit, but it was very difficult because that toilet had a motion sensor, and whenever I just roll over, because I cannot sleep in one position forever, the light went up for 10 minutes. So yeah, it woke me up all the time. As you can hear, this city is still alive. Quite a lot of traffic even at 5 AM. I don't get it, where the people travel or go to. The sun is going up in 6:23, so in 1 hour. So we are going to pack and continue Eurovelo 8.
To get some energy, I had a quick breakfast eating panettone while waiting for the sunrise. Quick status update, it's 6 AM. I had to leave the spot because two guys just sat across the toilet smoking cigarettes and just watching me. So just in case, to be safe, decided to pack up and leave that spot. Yeah, you never know. So we are continuing on Eurovelo 8, the French part. Today we should cover the Nice, maybe Cannes. Cannes is out of Eurovelo, so we'll see. And then I hope to get into the French mainland. This road is super busy, even early in the morning. It's because all those people traveling for work, so don't expect a relaxing ride during the morning in Côte d'Azur. Wow, I already see Nice on the horizon. That's so nice. I heard about this city so many times. Yeah, and there are people sleeping under the stairs of a monument, so I think this should be fine. Yeah, actually my ex-girlfriend moved to Nice, so I was very curious if this is so good to move abroad and live here. But I'm impressed. 1 lane for cars, 2 lanes for bikes. I like it. Thumbs up for making it much more enjoyable. Le Vire de Nice. And the rest of the city appearing on the horizon. Of course, let's do some photos at this sign. Finally arriving in Nice, I couldn't resist stopping at the Love Nice sign to enjoy the view over the city.
So guys, this is the Nice. I have to say it's very magical. What's down there?
There I noticed locals jogging to the sign, taking selfies for their Instagram. It seems like their daily morning ritual.
The beach is consists of pebbles, but the water is so blue. Yeah, so they are right at calling it Côte d'Azur. The whole French Riviera part is so short, and in maybe 60-80 kilometers we will already leaving the coast, which is a shame because I didn't have the chance to take a swim in the sea.
Another curiosity was seeing a boat cleaning the beach with water gun. It was somehow a relaxing sight I never saw before. While biking along the promenade, I paused again to watch the excavator creating a canal on the beach, a tough job with moving sands and water.
This is a really fascinating job. It must take all day long to just create this artificial canal. I don't understand, do they want to make the water flow in or out?
Before leaving for Cannes, I climbed a hill in local park for a better view.
And welcome to the local park. I saw a lot of people here sleeping in a sleeping bag in the park. So I think Nice is camp friendly. No one will bother you. Park stays open, unlike in Monaco. If you can manage to sneak in, because this park has the fence too, and it might close if you arrive too late. But if you hide and wait, then yeah. This park is pretty crowded. People are waiting for something or even sleeping on the benches. Here's the yoga session. One guy and the rest are girls, of course. Unusual men to women ratio in yoga sessions. I think now it's time to check out the beach up close. It's quite rocky, so definitely take your flip-flops. Water seems clean. Oh, okay. It's nice and fresh. Okay, let's move on. So this is nice and all, but I don't get why it's so expensive. The beach is not comparable to those in Italy. There are no attractions. But anyway, I wouldn't mind running half marathon here in Nice next year. This promenade is super long and it'll be a great experience. So right now I'm riding along the parking lot, the Côte d'Azur airport, and you don't see it, but behind the fence there are multi-billionaire private jets and airplanes. So if your jet is parking here, then you belong to top 0.00001% of the people in the world. Yep, and here's the main airport terminal.
Following the Velo 8 route past Nice airport, I hope to find a free power socket inside.
So here's Terminal 1. I'm going to check if there's a free Wi-Fi in the airport and free power sockets. Would be great. So this airport is pretty small. There is fortunately free Wi-Fi, so you can definitely sit here and work your stuff. Unfortunately, with the power sockets, it's much worse. There's one power socket this way, and here are two power sockets in this line of seats. Otherwise, there are no power sockets at all. I don't even know if it's working or not. So yeah, I think I will move on.
Unable to find one at the airport, I stopped at the local supermarket instead. There I caught up on some work and recharged my power bank.
So I just found this shopping mall. It's super convenient. There's supermarket, there's toilet, there's power socket, place to sit, and free Wi-Fi. Ideal. The airport, it's so crowded, it's super noisy. Here, it's kind of perfect. So Nice was nice again, but I'm more curious about Cannes. By the way, there's another beach on the left. Again, very crowded, mostly rocks.
same way it's like in Croatia. So far this bike trail is really nice. It goes along the coast. It's wide enough. That biker just got scolded by a beach police. If you didn't notice, there's a speed limit, 10 kilometers per hour. So you can just cruise along the beach, but not going faster. But 10 kilometers is fine by me. It's very enjoyable ride. So far it's downhill and there's a lot to see. So we are approaching that big hotel or something. It's really unique shape.
During lunch, I stopped at Burger King, wanting to compare its size and price with the Italian ones.
So as expected, Burger King in France is totally different in Burger King in Italy. They don't have the Bacon King 3.0. They have Masters burgers. So I ordered some cola here, a small, very small burger, and price. I think for 12.1 should be enough. Fries are definitely bigger than in Italy. Place more than Italian Bacon King. Less meat as well, but more vegetables. I love the rucola and the onion in it.
Ooh. There's a long road, and this beach seems like a pretty safe space for pitching a tent overnight. And there's no light, so maybe during the night it's a perfect spot.